This is one of my top rated trading strategy. My top rated trading strategy. Pay attention. I will be revealing the secrets from A to Z. So what I need from you is to pay attention, understand every bit of this particular strategy, how to set it up and how to make use of it. Only this strategy is enough for you to generate a lot of profit. The time frame is 5 minutes time frame. Time frame is what? 5 minutes time frame. Volatility 75 index. This is one of my top rated strategy I'm about to release to you now. Only this strategy is enough for you to make massive profit. Do you understand? So only one indicator you need what? Only one indicator, MACD indicator. That is the only thing you need, the only indicator you need. Now let me show you how to set up this indicator, how to do the settings. Pay attention, this is one of the major aspects of this. So pay attention. So let me delete the current settings so that we will do the setting from scratch. We will do it afresh. So let me delete this. So this is what naked chart. Now let me insert. Pay attention so that you will understand every bit of these settings. Do you understand? So click on F. Click on F plus. Now look at the MACD indicator. That is what we need, MACD indicator. So here is what? MACD indicator. To understand? So you click on it. Now this is the default setting for MACD. This is what default setting from your own side. This is what we will see. So let's do the settings. So the fast EMA changes to 100. Do you understand? That is the first thing. Now the slow EMA, leave it at 26. Then MACD XMA, change it to 2. Do you understand? So the next thing, apply to close. Yes, apply to close. Now the next thing, come to the style. Pay attention, come to the style. First of all, change this to 4 pixel. Change the color to this purple. Now this is all you need to do. This is what perfect settings for MACD indicator as per this strategy. So you click on done. Do you understand? Now let's restore. Now this is the MACD indicator. Now the next thing is how to make use of this and make massive profit. Pay attention. How to make use of this and make what? Massive profit. Pay attention. Now this is how to use this. From the side of MACD, you will see crossing. Look at this. You see this 0 points. Look at this point here. You see this 0 points from the side of MACD. This is what I mean here. This point here. I see it, that's 0 mark. So at that point, look at the crossing here. You see when MACD moves, you see this area. So once this crossing occur here, that is where I want you to, once it crosses downwards, that is what buy. If it crosses upward, that is what sell. Do you understand? So in this case now, this is what down movement. Look at it. It moves down. Are you seeing it? So I want you to make your buy entry. Make your what? Buy entry. Do you understand? So with appropriate stop loss, and you will see that this is what excess profit. As easy as that. Now, once it crosses, look at this, once it crosses above, once it moves above, that is what for sale. That is what for sale. Look at it. You see the movement here? It moves up. So that is what sell, confirm sell signal. Do you understand? So what I want you to do is to do what? Sell. From this point of crossing. This is what I mean. From this point of crossing, you make your sell entry there. I've seen it, and this is what massive profits. Do you understand? So you move again. Now look at another one here. Look at the crossing here. I've seen it. Look at the crossing here. So you make your what? Buy entry. Make your buy entry here. I've seen it, and this is what massive profit. So this is a winning secret strategy of mine. Do you understand? Understand it, apply it, and make massive profit. Volatility 75 index. Time frame is 5 minutes time frame. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Don't forget, this is Optimal FS, where profitable strategies are being shared free of charge. So hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.